At Varroc, we launched or relaunched our GET program 4 years back. The sentiment or the business need with which we began again was that the future is uncertain. However, organizations with the right blend of technical capability and engineering capability, but also the ability to adapt at pace, would really win this uncertain future. Thus, the intent of the GET program really is to create a set of future leaders who bring to the table not just engineering competence, but also really the professional skills of the future. The ability to communicate, the ability to problem solve, the ability to adapt to different roles and circumstances, but most important, really, the ability to identify and achieve results that achieve the result that is required to take the team and the organization forward. Of course, this translates into a large amount of rigor for both the GET and the organization. However, over the last few years, I think both the organization and the GET have seen the rewards for this rigor as well. Today, GETs are at the vanguard of Varroc's future strategy. Today, a GET leads the manufacturing shop that is very quickly moving from making commodity product to proprietary product. A GET is designing the line that will make the engine of the electric vehicle. GET leads our software effort to develop control algorithms that haven't seen roads anywhere in the world today. Two GETs perform critical system engineering roles on the most complex product Varroc has ever made. Multiple GETs have filed patents. Multiple GETs have designed product that is already on the road. And ultimately, all GETs have grown faster than their peers from college. But rather than me saying it, I think it's better to hear from them.
Hi, I am a GET of the 2017 batch. Now the beauty of this GET program is that Varroc's interests lie in a holistic development. Personally, I was a quality in charge of a product assembly line wherein I had a keen interest to the product development cycle. And what followed was that the best of the best in the organization showed an equal interest in my preferences, my strengths and skills that I've acquired, and what I need to acquire in order to contribute, grow, and become an asset to the organization. Now, what is key here is the attention to detail that they showed. And all of this resulted in me today as an executive in program management being an integral part of one of the many big programs that Varroc is a part of.
I was selected as a GET in 2016 and I was given the project to automate our Magneto production lines here in Varroc. Although the scope of the project was quite large, I got a lot of support from the management and my guides, because of which I could learn the ropes quite quickly. After this, I was exposed across various departments to really understand how Varroc works as a whole. Currently, I am working on a project to develop the production line for one of our new products, which is the two-wheeler traction motor. This is used in electric two-wheelers. This technology is quite new in India, so me and my team are facing a challenge to really develop this process from the scratch. Overall, my 3 years in Varroc have been quite fun and engaging.
Hi, I'm a 2017 batch GET. I had started my journey in Varroc working in the R&D department on a new product development, eventually realizing that my interest lied in more of a techno-commercial role. To have a better understanding of the supplier-customer relations, I wanted to work in SCM for a while before I moved to the desired role, which was business development. So in the 2 years, I was given the full exposure and the freedom to decide how and where I wanted to shape my career in.
Electronics has always been my passion. Right from my college days, I always wanted to be a design engineer. The GED program gave me the perfect opportunity to do what I love the most. In my GED period, I got the opportunity to design a whole new product all by myself. In my first rotation, I was responsible for leading change management activities for EBU's biggest plant. Currently, I am working on the design of electronics hardware for EFI systems. Now I can say that I have the necessary skill set for designing any product, and I owe it all to my experience in both plant and R&D.
I feel rotations at work is an approach to help us develop a career path. Working with different departments is actually complementary than the typical work that we usually do. But yes, different enough to give you insights and vision of how different departments are serving to the organization's mission. At Varroc, we have mentors here who see more talent within us than we see in ourselves. They define their success by the impact they have on people and enable us to be the future leaders.
My journey at Varroc started 3 years ago as a GT. I have been enjoying every moment of work from the day I started my career. I have been given opportunity where I can unleash my powers and contribute to the growth of the organization. All of this is possible because of the tailored GET career progression plan given to campus GETs. This program has enabled us to meet the leaders of the company where we can understand business insights. Currently, I am working as manager of R&D division, where I look into the process and product design, which includes starting from RFQ stage till the product is productionized. I feel myself proud to be part of this wonderful organization, and I feel proud to say that I am a Varrocian.
The GET program has given me an opportunity to work on real-time problem-solving assignments. We at Varroc gives you an opportunity to work with all the functional leaders as part of your GET program. Currently, I am working as a plant divisional manager heading a business of 200 crores of manufacturing with an experience of 2.5 years. We at Varroc gives you an opportunity to explore new ideas, to interact with customers and all the external stakeholders.